What if NASA's next telescope discovers another Earth before this decade ends? Meet the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. It's NASA's most powerful space observatory since James Webb. But Roman wasn't built to replace Webb. Instead, they'll work together to explore the universe. Webb sees incredible detail. Roman sees an enormous area all at once. Its field of view is about 100 times larger than Webb's. Imagine capturing one giant picture of the universe, instead of thousands of tiny snapshots. Roman's next mission is to search for hidden planets. Every distant star could be hiding an entirely new world. Scientists believe Roman could discover thousands of new exoplanets. Many have never been detectable before. Some of these planets may be rocky worlds like Earth. Others could be unlike anything in our solar system. Many planets are too dark to photograph directly. Roman will find them using gravity instead of light. And this technique is called gravitational microlensing. A planet's gravity briefly magnifies the light of a distant star. When the star suddenly brightens, scientists know something passed in front of it. That tiny signal can reveal an entire planet. Even planets invisible to every camera can leave this gravitational fingerprint. Roman is built to detect these rare moments. Roman may even discover rogue planets. These lonely worlds drift through space without orbiting any star. Some rogue planets have wandered the galaxy for billions of years. They travel through endless darkness completely alone. Every new world Roman discovers brings us closer to understanding our galaxy, and maybe, one day, finding another Earth. Roman's mission doesn't end with planets. It's also designed to map the universe on an incredible scale. Over the coming years, Roman will observe billions of galaxies across a huge portion of the sky. Each observation adds another piece to the biggest map of the cosmos ever created. Those tiny distortions will help scientists map something we can't even see: dark matter. Every image Roman captures is also a journey back in time, revealing how the universe evolved. Some of the light Roman sees began its journey billions of years before Earth even existed. With every new observation, Roman brings us closer to understanding how our universe truly works. Its discoveries could reshape our understanding of space and inspire the next generation of explorers. Its discoveries could reshape our understanding of space and inspire the next generation of explorers.